Umitirang ba kajala Meghalaya konrad ke sangma menta ka khanyo trek noiwing ulapan pau bak sorkar kadang hab ban peibnya bahaswa nak menta ban ai ke jingkersan ya ka mendi pathar college kabadan hanot garo hills bat kane ka college kadai ka belarim ba po ka district bat menta usnam kan sarakhi ya ka golden jubilee habalek ban yadon menta ha ka ka program jong ka jingrakhi ya ka golden jubilee harangkat uba lakman remboy ubadai menteri ketanat pule puti u deputy speaker Timothy Dishira ki MLA urupat momen bat upongseng marak umitirang ba ulong ha jelang bak Sorkar MDA ka kut jengmut nak mentaban penbah hakaliang ka puli ka puti hapo ka jela ukon rat ulo ong swa ka election arjak apra ula kular sakipai ba jong ka jela bakin ai kalat bakin setrei pat ban bu ya ka puli puti kum kawai kamat bahmat bat hadian bala simti ban jelam ya Sorkar kilale ya ka state education policy bat ka Sorkar ka pynlut adu arhajar klur hak ka snem hak ka puli puti
through trials and tribulations, through difficulties and challenges, and yet been able to reach to this level where you have over 1,764 students studying here in this college. So we must all give thanks to God Almighty for the blessings that He has given to Mendipathar College and all the past pupils who have studied here and the current students who are studying here right now. I have told the people of the state that given the opportunity, we will work towards prioritizing education. Now, while we say that, I am not claiming that we will change everything in one term. I am not claiming that we will transform education fully to what we might want it to be in the coming years. Education has a lot of challenges, especially in our state. There are a lot of structural, administrative issues in the education sector. We have a lot of issues with student-teacher ratio. We have a lot of issues with qualified teachers. We have a lot of issues when it comes to the pass percentage in class 10 and class 12. One of the highest percentage of expenditure of this government goes towards education. Honorable Education Minister just told you that in 1 year itself, this year, we sanctioned 100 crores in one go to give infrastructure to 200 plus